Something just shipped in AI agents this week, and if you're using one right now, it just got obsolete. I'm talking about a full rebuild of how these things think, how fast they respond, and how many of them you can run at once. And I've already updated mine, so let me walk you through exactly what changed. Because if you don't know about this, you're going to be stuck watching a loading screen while everyone else has already moved on. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news, so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course. Link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Here's what was actually broken before this update. Picture hiring the fastest assistant in the world and then making them sit in a waiting room before you let them do anything. That's basically what running an AI agent felt like up until this week. You'd type a request and stare at a blank screen for 5, sometimes 6 seconds. I've tested some of the newer models recently, and the wait alone was enough to make me close the laptop and walk away. And it got worse than that. You'd hand an agent a big task, close your laptop, come back an hour later, and find out it just didn't finish. It crashed somewhere in the middle, and you had no idea. On top of that, most people were running one single agent to do everything, which meant it was slow at all of it, and every command it wanted to run needed you to sit there and click approve. You weren't running an AI agent, you were babysitting one full time for hours at a stretch. This update fixes that, and it's not subtle. Cold start time, meaning the time from you sending a message to the agent actually waking up, dropped from 4.3 seconds down to 0.9 seconds. That's about an 80% drop in response time. And once it's awake, replies come back almost instantly, and you can even watch it thinking in real time instead of staring at a blank screen wondering if it's actually doing anything. The babysitting feeling, that's basically gone. Now, here's what's interesting about the next part. Before, if your agent was working on something in the background and the app crashed or the gateway went down, you lost the job completely. It just vanished, no warning, no way to recover it. You had to start the whole thing over again and hope it didn't happen twice. With this update, every background job and every final reply gets written straight into a database as it happens in real time. So if something crashes mid-task, when the system comes back online, it actually finishes the job and delivers it to you like nothing ever happened. That might sound like a small technical detail, but if you've ever had an agent working on something important for 20 minutes only to lose all of it in a crash, you know exactly why this one. Change matters more than people realize. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. This is where it gets kind of crazy. Before, one single agent handled every conversation, every channel, every task, all with the exact same brain. Now, one gateway can route different conversations to completely different agent profiles. And each profile can have its own model, its own memory, its own skills, and its own secrets, completely separate and isolated from the others. Think about it like this. You could have one profile that's purely for SEO work, another one dedicated to writing, and a third one handling operations, and the main agent automatically figures out which one should handle which task and delegates it there on its own. You're not manually switching between tabs or accounts, it's routing itself behind the scenes. And on top of that, you can spread your workload across different free models too. There are two brand new free models you can plug straight into this system right now, and you can even run a local model alongside them. So if one gets rate limited or starts slowing down during the day, your main agent just keeps working through the others without you having to lift a finger or even notice it happened. Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. Letting an AI agent run commands on its own in the background sounds a little scary. And honestly, that instinct is the right one to have. You should be cautious about that. So here's what they built in to handle it. By default, every flagged command, meaning anything even slightly risky, now gets independently checked by a second AI before it's ever allowed to run. You can still choose full manual approval, where you personally click yes on everything yourself, or you can flip it over to full auto and let it run freely. But even in full auto mode, you can write your own deny rules that hold no matter what, so there are hard limits the agent can never cross, even when you're not watching it. That's honestly the smartest part of this entire release. You get the speed of a fully autonomous agent, but you're still the one setting the brakes, not the machine. There's also a handful of smaller upgrades worth knowing about because they add up fast. You can now export an entire session to Markdown or HTML, and there's a redact flag that automatically scrubs any secrets or API keys out of it before it ever leaves your machine, which matters a lot. If you're handing a session over to someone else on your team, there's a panic button too, a safe mode that boots the whole thing with every customization switched off in case your setup ever gets broken and you just need a clean slate to fix it. And if you're running this through Telegram, Discord, or Matrix, the whole interface just got a visual upgrade with cleaner, easier buttons to work with. None of these are massive on their own, but stack them all together and you start to see what this update actually is. It's not some flashy feature drop with a bunch of new gimmicks. It's a full rebuild focused on one single thing: speed, with real safety built in around it so the speed doesn't come back to bite you later. Here's what I'd say to you. If you're sitting there thinking about waiting until all this AI agent stuff settles down before you bother learning it, it's not going to settle down. Not this year and probably not next year either. This one release alone shipped over 2,000 individual updates bundled into it. That's not a system that's slowing down, that's a system accelerating hard. And the people learning this stuff right now, while it's still moving this fast, are going to be the ones who are completely unreachable by the time everyone else finally decides it's stable enough to try. And look, you don't need to be technical to use any of this. You don't need a coding background, you don't need to understand how any of it works under the hood, and you definitely don't need to be some kind of programmer to get value out of it. You just need to actually get started instead of watching from the sidelines while it keeps evolving without you, because it's not going to wait for you to catch up, and neither is everyone else who's already using it. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.